Jeez.
All right now. And today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how Ratchet girls.
So we're just gonna play the music.
Oh my God! Who let her come out the house looking like that? She is doing the most. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this out.
Cause she Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
Wanna buy and not with them shoes on.
Cause she Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Cause she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too bad.
Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
Baby boy. And they came with a sister. Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I love the flow. No shoe.
Whistle.
I had to get cute today. I'm about to jean for a boot.
Get right.
Looking good, cause my baby did a just made bell. He a dog, he a shoe. Need new shoes today.
Shots for take it today.
Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get it good?
You know it gon' be fit up. Move, try to get out my way.
The 15, I got my food stamps. I got a brand new piercing, brand new tag. $95 for this weed plus tax. Bow, big bang on the wall, stack my thumb. Don't really have this calculator. Thinking that you better than I am, what did you think? You stupid? Whatever, she alive. My number, what? What is wrong with you, girl? Oh, girl. You quiet.
Hey, girl.
You look good. You look good. Turn around. Let me see just a weird.
OMG, what did she have? Oh, her lace front is all wrong. Cause she Ratchet.
Let me take this out.
Cause she Ratchet. Got it.
I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you Ratchet.
Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You Ratchet.
What about now with those shoes
Cause
on?
she Ratchet.
What you wanna punch her in her face?
Oh, you Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too bad.
Cause you Ratchet.
My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Carl.
Right.
Before we live in freak and then we party. Yes, I am the bad, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, the 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Ball even got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Team dark skin. You don't like them red boys. Look in my picture. New Abbey got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, and this team shut it down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then this team he paying. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me. You ain't like nothing.
I'm on my job.
Why you want to be rich? Girl, oh my God. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I gotta take this out for picture.
Cause she Ratchet.
Got it.
I'm about to put this thing on Twitter.
You know you Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this.
I'm too grown.
Cause you Ratchet.
What? Bye? Not with your shoes on.
Cause you Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Cause you Ratchet. I get
Damn. Oh, she's so fat. Think she look good with the leopard skin. What you know? Would you get leopard skin?
Yeah, you Ratchet.
You look like you look okay, I got it. Your hair with the jungle.
Right.
You wanna get leopard tatted on you. Oh my God.
Arie, Jane, and Kiki weed.